Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Stripe for online rent and deposits, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Stripe for online rent and deposits, start by creating a Stripe account. Visit the Stripe website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. Verify your email address by clicking on the link Stripe sends to your inbox. Once verified, log in to your new account. Next, navigate to the Developers section in the left sidebar. Select API keys to find your publishable and secret keys. These keys will allow you to connect your application to Stripe's services. Copy your secret key and store it securely. Now, go to your application's backend code. Install the Stripe library specific to your programming language. For example, use npm for Node.js by running npm install Stripe. Import the Stripe library into your application. Initialize the Stripe client with your secret key. In your application, create a payment endpoint to handle incoming requests. Use the Stripe API to create a payment intent when a user submits their payment details. Ensure that you collect necessary information, such as the amount and currency. Once the payment is processed, handle any errors and confirm the transaction status. To accept bank account payments, implement the payment method functionality. Gather the user's bank account details and create a token using Stripe's API. Store this token securely in your database for future use. If relevant, configure webhooks to receive real-time updates from Stripe. Set up endpoint URLs that Stripe can ping for events like payment success or failure. Test your integration using Stripe's test mode to ensure everything runs smoothly. Conduct thorough testing with various scenarios, such as failed payments and refunds. Once confirmed, switch to live mode by replacing your API keys. Now, your application is ready to handle online rent and deposits securely with Stripe. Monitor your transactions through the Stripe dashboard for ongoing management. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.